Hey everybody, it's Anthony here on EduPower Tools, and I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about Google Sites, which is Google's website creator and editor. Basically, it's a super easy tool to use to create a simple website. It's all drag and drop. What you see is what you get, no coding necessary. It interfaces with all the Google products, Google Drive, Google Docs, Slides, Sheets, YouTube, all that good stuff there. And the thing that I like most about Google Sites is that it's really easy to set privacy options. So you can create websites that you want to share with the general public, parents, families, everybody, or you can set it to only be viewable by people within the domain. So within just the school domain, nps.org, or you can also just set it so that it's private just to people that you invite to view it, or even collaborate on and edit different parts of it as well. So I think it's great tool for elementary class websites, for any class websites really, for simple pages where you just want to provide information on one topic maybe. And it's also really good for student portfolios. So a nice thing to develop for kids is a way to kind of display their work, to be able to share it with their families, and just kind of keep it all organized in one place. So you're very easily able to do that in Google Sites, like I said, to create a portfolio for the kids. So to get started with Google Sites, it's very easy. What you're going to do is you're going to open up your browser and you're going to go to sites.google.com. And I kind of have already gone there, but I'm going to type it in anyway, sites.google.com. And what you need to know is that Google Sites has gone through kind of two main versions. So there's the current version, which looks like this. So I only have one website here right now, but I'll have two in a second once I create a new one. There's this version. So like I said, this is the new, quote unquote, new version. And then there's the classic version, which if you tap on that little hamburger menu there on the side, you're going to see Sites and Classic Sites. If you click on Classic Sites, it's going to open up another window. And you're going to see, in a second, any classic sites that you've created. So this is an older version of the software. And you can still create websites in the classic version of sites, and you can still see and edit your old sites that you may have created in Sites if you're a longtime Sites user. This is an old site that I created many years ago and I didn't really do anything with. And then the nice thing about it is that you can also convert it to the new sites. So you'll get a banner up here at the top that says new, convert your site to the new Google Sites. So if you have an old site that you do want to convert, you can definitely do that. It's super easy. You click try it now. It doesn't delete your old site. It just moves it into the new format. So you click start. It's going to do it, work its magic in the background. And then once it's all set, then you'll see it appear here in your new sites. So for our purposes, because I'm assuming that generally you may have not ever created a site before, we're going to start with the new sites. There's no reason to start with the classic sites. It's way easier to create a website in, and there you see that my old site just converted over right there. So I can click on that and check it out. But we're going to start from scratch and create a brand new site. And it's going to take us literally 2 minutes. So here it goes. You're in the new sites. You see down here in the bottom right-hand corner, you see this plus sign here. That's where we're going to click. Okay, so we're going to click on that plus sign there. And that plus sign is going to, just like the other, just like when we're in Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, you create a new document, it's going to create a new kind of blank site. So it's an untitled site, very familiar, similar to, like I said, Docs, Sheets, and Slides. And it just kind of gives you a blank slate here, a clean slate here. And you can start typing right away. If you know what your title of your site is going to be, go for it. I'm just going to make it be welcome. This is going to be my first page. And I can make some quick edits here. If I want to change the image, I can change an image and I can search. They have some built-in ones here, so I can pick one of these, or I can search for Another one, I'll search for puppies. Oh, there we go. That one right there. That's the one. Okay, select, and then I have my pretty little picture of my puppy right there. Okay, so it's very easy to set your set some easy customization right away. Enter your site name up here, Mr. Amatrano's site, and then if I click up on there, it comes up there too. So that's my sample site there. What else am I going to tell you about this? It's very easy with the tools here on the side to insert things. So I'm going to click on text box, and it's going to put a text box right in here. And I can type away. I can change the size. I can change bold, italic, can change the justification, make it a number list or a bullet list, or put in a link, or I can just delete the title altogether. And we'll talk more about exactly what you can do there. But if you see over here on the right-hand side, this is your menu where you're going to insert your things, your material. So pictures here, you can embed material from other websites, pick things from your Google Drive. You can pick a layout. So if you want like an introductory photo, like a photo of you or your classroom, and then a little bit about yourself, you can do that. If you want to insert images, you can do that here. And then down below, you've got other options that you can insert here: table of contents, image carousel, all the way down here to charts. I'm going to create an infographic. There's going to be an infographic on this on my website. That's going to give you a little bit more information about each of these tools. The next tab over here is pages. You're going to manage your pages here. So you add new pages here, or you can link outside to other pages from here also. And then here you can choose your themes. So there's a bunch of different ones. It's just literally the click of a button, and it just kind of changes the look of your site. So it keeps the same material, just changes how it's presented, that's all. And you can change some colors and things like that. I kind of like that one right there. And that's really all you need to do to get started on Google Sites. There's obviously more to building a website than that. You want to plan it out. You want to make sure you know what you're posting on there, what your audience, who your audience is, and whatnot. And we're going to go over that in some upcoming videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.